I'm listening to MF too.
That sounds great. Shorty girl's a trooper. No matter what I need her to do, she be like, on his own throne, the boss like King Cooper. On the microphone, he flossed the ring. Average MCs is like a TV blooper. MF Doom, he's like DB Cooper. Out with the moolah. I let her get her outfit just to cool her off. She said niggas ain't about shit. I wonder if she meant it. I doubt it. The way it be in her mouth, she can't live without it. And can't live with this. Handle your business. Villainous, stay on the scandalous, whole shitless. One pack of hookers, please, Mr. Hooker.
And what's even crazier is that's not the only thing, the only time
Look like a black
and guess her.
Brown skin always kept his hair low. Rumors has it it's an S-girl accident.
Literally.
Doom was always known to keep the best girls' backs bent. Some say it's the eyes, some say the accent.
Yeah, there we go.
A lot of
Thought you
guys
handed
wonder
it.
where they stacks went. I call her thunder thighs with the fatty swoller. Only mess with high rollers, do what daddy told her. No matter the city, she with me to do the thing. Working the coochie hoops and chitty chitty bang bang. Same name on the
Go Betty! Go Betty! Go Betty!
Same game. Keep my eye on her, really don't.
Wait, I need to get the two dancing Irish girls.
Teach her beef to horse with Juniper. Teach her how to hold it. Of course, see most cats treat her like lead her to a snooper. Take it from the to make her feel cuter. Lay down the G like Luther. Everything will be do for her. Keep her in a new fur so she looks sweet when she go to meet the. Got the Buddha, get the grenadiers, twist it.
Where you guys are sitting, probably?
Kiss it. Listen here, Scooter. Let her try to bag you. She's on the rag, never let her fry the rag you. Which you have with some type of spell crying dag. Her name on the back of the tattoo. Whether a bougie or a nerd.
Yeah, we have to go back.
You don't wanna know waste her time, I'll do her. And be a father to your child like the. He keep his hoes in check, sends them out to get glows from all frozen necks. Tell him take his clothes, leave him posing naked for real. Better yet, get him for the check. The record.
Is my mascara like running?
No, actually, your eyes are perfect. That's what I thought, and that is what I thought.
I used to cop a lot, whenever cop no drop. Hold mics like ponytails tight and bobble ops. Stop, stick around, come through and dig the sound of the fly brown 606 cycle who throws a dick around. Bound to go 3 flat, came to destroy rap. It's an intricate plot of a b-boy strap. Fem stack cats get kidnapped. Then release a statement to the press. The rest of the
What do you think?
household name usually said hostility. What is MF? Silly. I like to take events to the end for 2 million. Go out alone, black. Stay in the zone, turn H2O to cool down. Tuesday, ever since the world till I'm back with my brother. That's what I'm trying to say.
Find a wild Masiri in her element. And some little kitties. Like, are the...
This is your right? Okay, perfect. I'd love to take this one. We're not doing the fast action as much, but this one's great. We'll do a $10 tap or $20 credit.
Oh, hell yeah.
He's just waiting for this dot.
Yeah, literally. Look at that. Jesus.
I can't. Look at this one. What the fuck? The 8 ball.
Oh, in her mouth.
That's insane.
my god, the cat's on the
And then, why was I about to dab? I started rolling, you guys. The rolling. Rock on.